Hey YouTube, this is Dr. Sean McWilliams, and this week what we want to talk about is how to buy a bed. It's one of the most common questions that I get asked from my patients, and so I want to show you how you can buy a great bed that I think you're really going to like, and do it on a budget, because we all like saving money if we can. So I'm going to show you a couple little things, my tips on buying a bed, what to get, what not to get, and I'll show you some close-ups of that, and then we'll do a final review as well. So here we go. So there's a lot of different choices in beds these days, and I know it can really get overwhelming. You can spend anywhere from $500 up to $5,000 if you want to, but that's not really necessary. I've slept on really expensive beds that unfortunately I just don't find they really last like they used to. So today I want to show you what I sleep on, because people ask me that all the time, where I got my bed at, and what I like and what I don't like. So to break it down, if you're trying to buy a bed on a budget, which is really what I want to talk to you about today, is that you're going to have two choices. And one of the choices, and really my favorite choice, is to get a very firm mattress. Your spine wants to be supported properly. It needs that. If your bed feels soft to you initially when you get on, it's not going to do the job for you and support your spine well. So what we want to pick out is we want to pick out a super firm mattress. And here's the key: without a pillow top. I don't like the pillow tops on the beds, and the reason is because you can't control how soft that pillow top is. And what I found over time is that it becomes softer and softer, and you start sinking into your bed, and we don't want that. So what I really want to show you is we want a firm mattress with no pillow top, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to soften that mattress up a little bit so it's comfortable for you to sleep on, but yet really supports your spine. So here's a close-up of the mattress that I'm going to recommend to you. Okay, so here's a little bit of close-up of a mattress, and one of the things that you want to really look for is you want to be looking to see that it says firm or extra firm on the mattress. And the reason is that we want to make sure we got a really solid foundation for your posture when you're sleeping, so that your spine's not bending down into the bed. And the other thing you're going to notice about this bed is that when you look at one side and you look at the other side, there's no pillow top on it. And I'm going to show you what a pillow top looks like in a second. So this is what I want you to get. I want you to get a non-pillow top bed that at least says firm or extra firm on it. This, on the other hand, is a pillow top mattress, and the way that you can tell the difference is that a lot of times it'll say pillow top on it, like you're seeing right here, pillow top, but this is what the pillow top is. It's this extra part right here. Now I know a lot of people like pillow tops initially because when they lay on them, they have a nice soft feel to them. The problem is that they get softer and softer as the years go on, and you start sinking into your bed. So not really my recommendation. I really want you to go with the firm mattress that we talked about previously, and we're going to add our own pillow top to it, and I'm going to show you the one that I like and that I sleep on. Okay, so these are the pillow tops that I like. This is a memory foam topper. You can sometimes get them in 3 inches. This is a 4-inch thick memory foam topper. And what I love about these is that they're usually really good quality memory foam. In the pillow tops, you really don't know the quality of the memory foam that you're getting in there. So I love these. They're gonna last you a long time, and they usually will come with a warranty as well. And the other thing is that you can get these in a cooling one as well. So if you get hot in a bed, they do make cooling memory foam toppers, and I think you might like that as well. So best combination for my bed on a budget, and remember this is on a budget, is firm to extra firm mattress without a pillow top. Come over and get yourself an additional memory foam topper for it in 4-inch. Choose the one that you like, and I think you're really going to like this setup. It's great. You can usually do this for under $600 unless you're buying a king size bed. For a king size bed, you can probably do it under $1,000 easily. And Sam's got a great warranty on their products as well. This is the bed that I sleep on. I actually sleep on a bed from Sam's. A lot of people ask me that, and this is the exact setup I have. Non-pillow top, 4-inch memory foam topper on it, and I love it, and I have a great night's sleep on it, and I think you will do too. So I hope this helps you make your decisions. If you've been putting off a bed, hopefully now you can go get a new bed for yourself. And if you have any comments or questions, write a link down below, write me a comment down below. If you like our videos, and I hope that they're adding some value to your life and helping you feel healthier and feel better, please subscribe to our channel and let me know if there's a video that you want me to do next, and I'd be happy to do it for you. So until next week, yours in health, Dr. Sean McWilliams.